Let's move towards another question in which we will see how to create the pull-down automata for the above question. That is the to accept the set L of all strings over 01 ending with 010. So here are some of the steps I have provided to create a pull-down automata. Now let's see. To create a pull-down automata that is accept the set of language set of all string over 01 ending with 010, we can follow the below given steps. Firstly, we will start in the initial state and put a symbol Z in the stack. Okay. Onto the stack, we will mark the bottom of the stack as Z. We will take a stack. Okay, and at the bottom of the stack, we will mark as Z. Z means our stack is empty. Now we will read each symbol of the input string from left to right. Now then on the stack, we will read each symbol from left to right, and transition based on the current symbol and the top symbol of the stack, and then we will update the stack accordingly, push or pop symbol based on the transaction, and on the basis of the transaction we will update our stack operation that can be push or pop. We will then accept if this input is consumed entirely in the stack contains 0 at the end, indicating that the string ends with 010. And here is the formal description of the pull-down automata. Firstly, we will take four states Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. And we will take two alphabets 0, 1, and we will take stack alphabet 0, 1 and Z as an empty alphabet. And we will start with initial state Q0, and our initial stack symbol will be Z, and our accepting state will be Q3. So firstly at Q0 we will mark epsilon and Z, that is Q1, and Z epsilon represent that it is an empty string. And then Q1 will mark 0 epsilon and 0 comma Q1 comma 0, that is push 0 onto the stack for each 0. Then Q1 comma 1 comma epsilon equal to Q1 comma 1, that is put 1 onto the stack for each 1 bit. Then Q1 comma epsilon equal to Q2 comma epsilon, that is transaction to check for 010, that is, and then Q2 epsilon 0, Q2 comma epsilon, that is remaining 0, Q2 comma epsilon comma 1, Q1 comma epsilon, that is back to Q1 if more ones encounter, and Q2 comma 0 comma 0, Q2 comma epsilon pop zeros until stack is empty or Z is encountered. Q2 comma 1 comma 1, Q2 comma epsilon pop 1 until stack is empty or 0 is encountered. Q2 comma epsilon comma Z, Q3 comma Z, except if Z is encountered at the end. So this is the push-down automata which accept string over 01 ending with 010 and reject all other strings. Thank you.